Welcome again to the channel Cat Comrade, and today's video we're going to learn about how to start a new AutoCAD drawing. So let's say you're done with this drawing and now you want to start another drawing. So say there are two options to open it. First of all, as you can see right here, the plus icon right over here is the option to open a new drawing. You can just click on it and a new drawing will be a new fresh board will be open. So the first thing that you don't have to forget is just to set the unit. Just type U and press enter, and then choose the unit of your choices and just press OK, and you're good to go. You can draw anything that you want. The second option that you can go with that how to open a AutoCAD file is just press this new, and another new drawing will be opened. So that's how simple it is to how to open an AutoCAD drawing, a new AutoCAD drawing. And of course, you know how to close it. Just press the cross icon. Nothing has to be saved. Nothing has to be saved. So that's it. That was it for the video. That was literally it for the video. It was that simple. One of my subscribers had commented that please show how to do this. So yes, my friend, this is how you have to do it. I hope I was helpful to you. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. And if you really like the video, then kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.